In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to limit rows in Google Sheets. If you want to keep your spreadsheet looking cleaner and more focused, hiding extra rows is a simple way to do it. This is especially helpful when you only want to work with a certain section of your sheet and don't want a long list of unused rows showing underneath. To get started, go to Google Sheets and open the spreadsheet where you want to limit the visible rows. Once your sheet is open, take a moment to identify the last row you want to remain visible on the screen. The goal here is to hide everything below that point, so your sheet appears shorter and more organized. Next, click the row number directly below the last row you want to keep visible. For example, if you want row 20 to be the last visible row, click row 21. Make sure you're clicking the row number on the far left side of the sheet, not a cell inside the row. This selects the entire row and sets you up for the next shortcut. Now press Ctrl, Shift, and the down arrow key at the same time if you're using Windows. This keyboard shortcut quickly selects that row and every row beneath it, all the way to the bottom of the sheet. It's a fast way to grab all of the extra rows at once instead of dragging down manually, which can take much longer in a large spreadsheet. Once those rows are selected, right-click anywhere within the highlighted row area. This will open the context menu with several row options. From that menu, click Hide Rows. As soon as you do that, all of the selected rows will be hidden from view. At this point, your sheet will look much more compact, and only the rows you want to see will remain visible. This doesn't delete any data, so it's a safe way to tidy up your layout without losing information. You're simply hiding the extra rows, which means they can still be brought back later if needed. One helpful thing to remember is that hidden rows usually leave a small indicator in the row labels, making it easier to tell that rows are still there in the background. So, if you ever need to expand the sheet again, you'll know where to look. And that's how to limit rows in Google Sheets by hiding everything below a certain point. It's quick, practical, and a great way to keep your spreadsheet easier to navigate.